Hello and welcome to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investors. And it goes on with the Q3 numbers of the companies in my portfolio. And today, before the market opened, Mastercard published their Q3 earnings, and I will go through this and will tell you what I will do with my position after these Q3 numbers. So Mastercard published today before opening their numbers, and Mastercard reported third quarter September 2020 earnings of $1.60 per share on revenue of $3.8 billion. The consensus earnings estimate was $1.65 per share on revenue of $3.9 billion. Their earnings whisper numbers was $1.75 per share. Revenue fell 14.1% compared to the same quarter a year ago. The results are under the estimates, so this is disappointing. The EPS is 8.6% under the consensus estimate. The revenue is 1.9% under the estimate, and also the growth is very negative, minus 25.6% in the earnings and 14.1% in the revenue. And here, of course, you see the big influence of the pandemic situation, which lasts now for at least more than 6 months and in the end is not foreseeing. And so also Mastercard suffers a lot. And with this numbers published, Mastercard before market opening, before hours, fall 4% to now $304. I bought my shares for $255 in late April, and so I'm up a little bit. The calculated intrinsic value I did before I bought into Mastercard was around $260. Overall, I would say Mastercard is still overvalued, and so I will not add more shares. I will just stick with my position, and my original position is 21% in the plus. Of course, after market opening, this will fall a little bit to maybe 17 or so, but I'm still up, and so that's fine. And I will just hold my position here, will not add, because Mastercard is not cheap. The valuation is quite high, and so there is no good risk reward for more adding of Mastercard, even if I think Mastercard has still a very bright outlook. The market position of Mastercard is very, very good. I'm not very concerned for the long-term future of Mastercard and of my investment. I think right now, of course, it's cloudy. There are heavy clouds with the pandemic around, but in the long run, this will be a very profitable business for a long, long time, and I will stick with it, and then we'll hopefully get a good return. And then also today, after the market close, Visa will publish their Q3 earnings, and this will be very interesting how the opponent of Mastercard did in the Q3. I will also take a look there, of course. And with that, I also want to give you my weekly insight of my portfolio. And as you can see, with the market closing yesterday, my portfolio is up 20% since the 2nd of December 2019. This was a day when I started this portfolio. And so I still have a good outperformance to the S&P 500 of a little bit more than 11%. But the last few days, my portfolio really suffers. And so the outperformance got a little bit slimmer. But so far, so good. And I'm very happy with my investments. And just remember, all what I do here is for the long term. I invest in the businesses, and I try to invest in very profitable businesses, very stable businesses for the long term. And if you like this idea and if you get any value out of this, please subscribe to my channel and join this group of long-term value investors. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to never miss another video. And if you really liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Tell all your friends that here a community is rising of long-term value investors with high-quality stock research. Then we will see you the next time with another video and another analysis of another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.